Okay, so I gotta show you guys another something that we found on our surveillance system. So earlier we were watering the bamboo that we planted across here, and we left the hose, the garden hose, out, and we found something strange drinking out of the garden hose. So I'm gonna try and show you. I guess I can skip through this. Part, yeah, that's we're just watering all the plants and stuff. So I got a couple cameras. This is the front right here. I'm down here right now watering the plants, but okay, so that's the front. There's the driveway. This is like the side where the dirt road is, and I just planted all those bamboo. They're kind of thin right now, but they'll grow. And then here's another of the driveway, and then the front walkway up to the door, and then this little like side shed thing, and that's a mango tree right there. So we were watering all that. I think I left the hose right there. Okay, so now I gotta skip. That was at like 6:20. So now we gotta skip ahead to what we found a little bit later. What was the time on that when we found it? 1901?
Yeah.
What was the time on it, Lucas?
1901.
No, what'd you write down?
1901:40.
1901:40. I gotta find the exact spot so I'm not wasting time. Let's try that. Okay, so this animal, or whatever this thing is, it comes out from behind the van, goes back to the bird feeder, which is hard to see, but it's right there is the bird feeder. Okay, and I'm going to try and follow it along. Then it runs up to the hose. It's drinking out of the hose. Lucas hears something, and he runs out and scares it away. And then I meet Lucas in the front yard. So let's see. Oh, where am I filming? Okay, behind the van. Okay, there it goes again. And it's coming across the yard. Okay, you gotta see this thing's face this time. It almost runs like a human, Lucas.
It does?
Almost. It's in the bird feeder again. What'd you hear? Like stomping footsteps, and then you heard a scream? Okay, yeah, now it's down here at the hose. It's got like human clothes on though, it doesn't make sense. Okay, there you go, across the front. You got your Nerf gun?
Yeah.
It sees you, it runs, you're shooting it?
Yeah, I tried. I probably missed.
And you left the front door open, so I come running out?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
Yeah. I mean, kind of, but the thing was like, you know, you would get scared. Just.
I didn't see anything until now. It's weird. We gotta set up like a trap or something. Try and trap it.
We can use spare rope and just like.
We need to make like a big pile of birdseed, like
Yeah.
birdseed right in the middle.
This is so stupid.
of the yard. It's so weird. All right, we gotta rewind it and see. I want to zoom in closer to the face. Let's see. Back 30. Back 30. There it is. Okay, it's running up to the hose. I gotta pause it right at the face. But I can't like see it. Maybe right when it hears you, it looks up. Damn, I can't see it. There, that's when it saw you, I think. It's looking right up. Oh, shit.
I know, right?
That's crazy. Alright, we gotta set up a trap. Alright, I guess that's that for now.